Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF of 60, 90 and 120 by long division method. So here in this method we are finding the highest common factor of three numbers. The first step in this method is to divide and find the HCF of any of the two numbers. So let's divide 90 by 60 and find the HCF. So 60 times 1 is 60. And we have 30 as remainder. So in the next step, this remainder, which is 30, will become the divisor and our dividend will be the previous divisor. Previously we were dividing by 60, so 60 was our previous divisor. So now 60 will become the dividend and the remainder will become the divisor. Now we will divide 60 by 30. So 30 times 2 is 60. So our remainder is 0 now. So when we get the remainder as 0, that means the number or the divisor by which we get remainder as 0, that will be a HCF of the two numbers. So here HCF will become 30, because 30 is fully dividing the number 60 and we are getting 0 as remainder. So this is the HCF of two numbers 60 and 90. So in step 3, we are going to divide 120, the remaining number, by the HCF of the two numbers. So let's divide 120 by 30. 3 times 4 is 12 and 30 times 4 is 120. So we got the remainder as 0. Now remainder is 0. This means that 30 is the HCF of all the three numbers. So HCF of 60, 90 and 120 is 30. So this is how we find the HCF using the long division method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.